mouth.
Ah!
I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna go this run. I think it's gonna stick, but then when you're least expecting it, you're gonna be like, you know, you try to pull it out of your tongue. Like, it's gonna be like that.
That was totally uncalled for.
She does that all the time. Look at this gross shit on me.
I don't care. It's not bothering me. It's called a washing machine. I'm gonna put my jacket.
I don't want, dude. That's a pube.
Who cares? They had to bathe at one point, so it can't be that. Ah.
Dude, you put a cock in your mouth just because you just took a shower?
No. Still.
Really close.
Well, how do you know that wasn't Leo was playing with his camera and rubbing it on her junk?
Very true.
Or Brian was rubbing it on his junk.
More likely.
I can't believe I just lunged at you on the list. That's the dumbest thing I've ever done. I can't believe I did that.
Like, literally, I got an adrenaline rush flying down the western territory.
Like, as soon as it didn't affect me until I sat back and I was like, oh my God. Look.
That was the highest up I think that the distance from us to the ground was.
Possible ever the whole weekend.
Yeah.
And I decided to do that.
Just because of a little pubic hair.
Just get a really good snotty nose and wipe your glove and then wipe him on his face, on his cheek. That's a good return.
Dude, he has put his hands down his pants and wiped them on my face before.
I have?
Yes.
That's a squirrel.
Well, wait, that was retaliation for you doing something nasty.
Yeah, I wiped a booger on you.
Right.
Right. But that doesn't count then.
But you put pubes on my face.
That's what I'm saying. If you started.
To the right, guys. Alright. Just telling you.
We rode this all yesterday afternoon.
Did you?
Well, for an hour.
Yeah, I went fast yesterday. I went fast today. Because slowing people, slowing me up, not happening. Not cool. Gotta drop these rental sacks, grab my shoes out of the locker.
Maybe where we dropped you off?
That would be. Hey! You single? Because I am. What about you? Shit. Are you over it?
She's not over it.
Well, how about
Hey, West Virginia's 14, right? This is March 2nd. Hold on one second. So, hey, don't do that pussy ass wait at the top thing. Just go. Fuck those people waiting and looking and watching, and I'm gonna go down by the box. You guys rock it. Alright? Alright, this is the box take 2. A lot of people waiting. Here come the stars, JJ and Douchebag. All right, you guys ready? Neither one of these guys has had much success with box in the past. We'll see how they do today. Here comes our first victim, Sascha. More speed. Nice. Very good. Here comes JJ. He's coming, he's going, he's going. Oh! Him and Sascha are going to go lay together.
All right.
What's that? All right, which one? Right here? Far side? Alright. I feel like I might get hit here. Oh. Don't do that! Go that way!
Oh, I thought you wanted me to go this way.
No, I don't want you. I was like, he's going to probably hit me.
Oh!
Nice!
Alright, now we gotta get me getting a good one. Hey, listen.
Wow. Okay, I got him for both of us.
You see that far right one down there? Not this one? Underneath the snowblower?
No.
See that snowblower right there?
The far left one?
No, it's right. It's on this side. Underneath that snowblower right there.
Here?
No.
The snowblower's on the left side. I don't
See the guy going down right there? There's a snow. A hook right there, not the blower, the spout. The guy just hit it.
Oh, yeah. That right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, why don't you do this one right now?
That's alright.
I'm going to get on the other side. Just jump off the side of the lift. All right, Julia, you want to do that one? All right, I'm going to get on this one, Josh. All right, JJ. Ooh! Oh, man! Oh. How do you even do that? All right, I'm going off this one. lost it. Where's Flash? Oh! I didn't realize you were coming.